Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make format in mobile. First, open your desired application, like a word processor or notes app, on your mobile device. Look for the small A icon or a paintbrush symbol, which usually indicates formatting tools. Select the text you wish to modify, then tap the bold, italic, or underline options to instantly change its appearance. It's a straightforward process. Moving beyond the basics, you can easily customize your text further. Explore different font styles and adjust the size to make your content stand out or improve readability. Most apps offer at least 5 distinct font choices and a size range from 8 to 72 points. Also, effortlessly align your text to the left, center, right, or justify it for a polished look. Creating bulleted or numbered lists is just one tap away. To give your document a professional feel, consider its overall layout. You can easily insert images from your photo gallery or add simple tables with a few taps. Adjusting line spacing, perhaps to 1.5 or 2.0, and paragraph indents helps create visual breathing room. Using headings, like Heading 1 or Heading 2, also organizes your content, making it much easier to navigate. Once your document is perfectly formatted, saving and sharing it is the final step. Most mobile applications allow you to save in common formats like PDF or DocX with just a couple of taps. You can then share your work directly via email, messaging apps, or cloud services. Always take a moment to review your document for any last-minute adjustments, ensuring everything looks exactly as you intended before sending it off.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.